dive into Calgary's bustling real estate scene in 2024. Experiencing a record-breaking 38% jump in January 2024 sales, with row houses and apartments leading with nearly 20% price surges. Rental revenues climb amid a snug market. A surge in demand meets a tight supply, shaping a unique market phase. Challenges persist, yet the horizon glimmers with new development prospects. For buyers, sellers, and renters, opportunities abound in Calgary's vibrant market. For the latest insights into Calgary's real estate, keep up with us. Your opportunity is waiting.